Today, I want to share 3 quick tips to help you improve your landing page conversion rates. Tip number 1, simplify your design. A clean, straightforward design helps keep your visitors focused on your offer. Avoid clutter and ensure that your call to action stands out. Tip number 2, use clear and compelling CTAs. Your CTA should be easy to find and action oriented. Phrases like "get started now" or "download your free guide" can encourage visitors take action. Tip number 3, leverage social proof. Include testimonials, reviews, and case studies on your landing page. Showing that others have benefited from your offer builds trust and can increase conversion. For more tips on landing page optimization, make sure to follow and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.